What is happening, YouTube? It is Hawk with a vlog. Oh shit, that is bright. Anyways, so it is currently sunset time right now, still in the blue hour, and I'm meeting up with my bro Anderson today, picking up some wheels. Pretty excited about that. But before that though, I'm gonna stop somewhere and smoke my weed, cause I sort of woke up like hella late, around like 6:30 in the PM. I was up all night editing videos and shit, so I haven't had my smoke yet. I need that shit. Yo, so you see my last vlog, you remember I got some mystery package, right? Let me show you what I got. I got these grips. I went all the way out to Staten Island yesterday for these damn grips. And Ryan said he don't even like these grips. So when I called him yesterday and I showed him the grips, he just hung up on me. Anyways. Should we do a little bike check? Let me actually angle it down slightly more. So this is the bike. It's a retro spec. Ain't nothing fancy about it. I am currently running a 5218. The cog is All City chainring. I don't know what company it is, but it is Japanese apparently. I got it off Ryan. He's the plug. Got some chrome bars on it. These green OG Kenda tires and some generic ass wheels and this giant saddle. I mean, it's from the company Giant. It's not like actually Giant. And these grips I got last night. Oh, these straps, these are the Why Not straps. Easily the best straps in the game. Hold fast, can go suck ass. These are it. These are so much better than the hold fast straps. Did I miss anything? I don't think I missed anything. I mean, everything is just generic ass on this bike. I still love it though. It gets me places. The best bike you can get is the bike that you have already. This is the bike I have, and it is the best bike for me. You did not see that happen. Yo, so I'm running by the Belt Parkway. Okay, so I'm running by the Belt Parkway and going west out there is so sketch at night because you can see nothing. Like, look at this. I'm literally getting blinded by the cars and it's just dark path underneath me. Yo, nah. So a car crashed over there, hence the pileup. And I told them you can't park there, and anyways, I thought that was funny and I would share. God damn, that piled up long. See, that's just the thing about cars, man. Even if you have highways and shit and you can like go so fast and all that, it just takes one dumbass to do one stupid thing and everybody's waiting. It's just not an efficient system. But that's just a cyclist in me, so what do I know? Yo, so as I reach Canarsie, that's where Anderson lives, he told me to wait by the corner. He's gonna be out any minute now, so we just wait. Yo, we got my boy Anderson here.
That's good.
I'm gonna get these wheels off him. So
I started stripping one side already, and then
oh yeah.
I was gonna take off the, you know, those are just like stickers.
Yeah. That is
take
it.
like one side.
Oh, I would probably take the stickers off too. Actually, those look cleaner. Yeah, definitely.
Right, exactly. Looks way better with the stickers off.
Yo, so we have got the wheels. It's on my back. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of dark anyway. Who gives a shit? I am headed back home. So I'm on my way home right now. It's a 12-mile ride. Should be easy. not that cold. It's slightly windy, but not that windy. It's pretty calm. So we're just gonna do the ride. I think I'm gonna end the video here because I'm not doing nothing much after. But anywho.